Installing task lighting and powers, angle power strip, slim profile, APT series. Each assembled fixture includes aluminum profile, Romex connector, opener tool, mounting screws, and wall anchors. Tools needed include wire strippers, drill or screwdriver with number 2 Phillips bit, and nut driver. Caution: the angle power strip must be installed by a licensed electrician in conformance with the current NEC and local building and electrical codes. Power must be a 20 amp branch circuit protected by a GFCI at the panel or GFCI prior to the connection at the angle power strip. If pre-wires from the factory are cut, this will void the warranty and UL listing. Turn power off at the panel before beginning. Carefully open the fixture with the tool provided. Insert the Romex push-in connector from the back frame. Pull wires into fixture through the Romex connector. The fixture can be mounted tucked under the cabinet bottom and screwed into the back panel of the cabinet. This method is recommended if the backsplash is already installed, or if spanning multiple cabinets, the fixture can be mounted under the cabinets directly on the wall. Use drywall anchors if not screwing into a stud. Strip wires and connect black to black, white to white. Ground all green wires to the grounding studs inside of the back frame. When connecting 2 angle power strip fixtures, run the Romex from fixture to fixture. Ground each section to the next. To terminate the last fixture in the run, use wire nuts on the ends of the wires if needed. Snap the cover in place and turn the power on.